Somebody pray for me. It been a day for me. Yeah, yeah.
Alright, the boys got the dirt bikes out today. We have a goal of where we want to go, but the sad part is we got to take the streets the whole way. So let's hope we don't run into any police out here in Mexico, because your boys don't have a truck and we just want to go ride. The goal would be to get, bummer. The goal would be to get all the way to the top where we can go riding up in the mountains. But it'd be cool to get all the way up there so we can actually go riding. Worst case scenario, we'll just go mess around, hopefully find a street spot or something. But two strokers looking good. Total new look on her. We got a real crazy video planned out today that we're gonna be filming a little later. We just want to give you some shred time in on the dirt bikes before we go do that. It's a whole day of reckless stuff out here in Mexico. It's outside though today. Beautiful day out. Good day for a ride. Alright, so we're gonna try and take this secret passage up to the mountains and see where what we find. I've only seen this path on Google Earth, so I don't know really where it tops out at or where it goes to, but I'm sure it goes all the way up to the mountains. So we need those mics where you can talk to each other in the helmet. I'm looking at getting a new helmet soon. I want one that's like a street bike helmet, like with the pull down goggle, like face visor goggle thing. But I want it to look like the dirt bike helmet. I know I've seen them before, I just don't really know the brands, but so I'm on the lookout right now. And I want it to have like the Bluetooth talking. Let's check out this map. Let's go that way. It is slick right here, man. This is slippery. We lost the path, boys. I don't know where it went, honestly. His foot peg just came off, bro. That's insane, bro. The only thing I think of is I can ask Tim if he's home. He might have one bolt.
Yeah, ask him.
Daniel's one bolt, like the foot peg has two bolts, one of them came out, so his foot peg just did like a 180 and spun upside down when we were riding.
I had my foot pressure on it too, so I like...
You just felt your foot drop for a second? That was so slippery on that corner.
I know. I literally did a full 360. I ended up facing back the same way.
So I just texted my buddy that lives right by here, and he told us to come over. He might have a bolt for his foot peg. At least we made it up here. Hopefully have a bolt for that, and then we can actually go riding. Well, we're right here in the mountains now, so we'll go hit some dirt, see what we can get into up there. Let's follow you. We got Tim on the WR450, Daniel on the KDX 200. I had the YZ 250F. Me and Daniel combine our bikes, we get one 450. Oh, he blasted me. Holy, I did not expect him to take off like that. Tim is wild. He blasted me with rocks with my visor open. That sucked. I can't see a thing though behind him. He has the most dust I've ever seen. There we go. Hey, this is sick. I wish it wasn't so dusty though. Like I wish it got a little bit of rain last night or something. But it's still fun. This is the first time I've got to like go ride up in the mountains. I've only been out to Apex on my bike, which is like the normal dunes area. Arms feel like spaghetti already. I did not expect that out of an old man.
Who?
You!
Me?
Dude, my arm is like spaghetti right now. Oh, he dipped. He ran off. Heading back down the mountain now. It was sweet to check out this trails up here. I never really got to look up here. Daniel's tire's so bald on his back, I can't imagine how sketchy it is. These rocks are tight. On the red rocks out here. You good? Right up. Oh, this is sick. Right up. I wish I had my boots on. I didn't know we were riding in the dirt. I'm just wearing some regular tennis shoes right now. Feet are starting to hurt. Still only rode a dirt bike in the dirt. This is like my third time. Second or third time, literally. Riding everything today. We got this dirt, we got gravel, we got asphalt. We're hitting all terrain, baby, all terrains. What song is that? Why is that even stuck in my head right now? I can't see anything, Tim. Making it real hard out here. Crap. Yo, he did a fatty wheelie through the dirt. Mine does not pick up, it just spins in the dirt right here. Alright baby, let's get home, let's get home. We got a big project to do once we get home for 4th of July. So, let's get out of here. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, dude. We're out here riding streets on dirt bikes, having some fun. Support the boys so we can do this more often. Part right here, I don't know if you can tell, but it's like an ice rink. It's so slippery around these corners. Daniel's nuts for going that fast. The one we first got on at, like Daniel literally spun out and did 360. Look, I'm skidding right there. He can't even stop. I just can't wait till I can get this legalized and be able to like daily this thing. I'll seriously ride this thing to work every day. Make my own ways to work. Support your boys. Check the description, get a MOPBOYZ sticker. Alright guys, well that's gonna do it for this ride. I can't wait to get out more on the dirt bike. If you guys want to see more dirt bike content and see us ripping these things around, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.